Hi there guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to target fans of other pages in Pinterest. Stick around till the end. Right ahead in your business hub, if you don't have a business hub, go ahead in your favorite browser, search Pinterest ads. In the first link, click ads.pinterest.com. Click on accept, go ahead on the top right corner where you're gonna find settings and business access. Click ahead on business access. Our goal is to find the desired ad account. On the left dashboard right here, you're gonna view ad accounts. Click on ad accounts and click on the desired name of an ad account. If you don't have an ad account, you will be able to create it on the top right corner. Choose an ad account name. Click on create. So, ad account name, click on create, and you'll be good to go. I already have an ad account, so I'm just going to open this one. And on the right bottom corner, I'm going to click go to ad account. Right here, I'm going to click on view reporting or create an ad. Click on accept again, and you're going to be prompted with this page. So now let's create a campaign. Click on create campaign. Click on accept, and here you're going to be greeted. Right here, you're gonna follow me carefully. Go ahead and search what's your goal. For example, building awareness, the campaign name, the campaign status, the daily or lifetime budget, for example, $100, run on specific dates, for example, when to pause it, and then click on continue. Right here, you're going to choose the strategy is to choose new customers, for example, interest keywords, demographics, placements, the budget and schedule, the optimization and delivery, the ads to pin on to promote, so a link or a pin or the idea. You guys get the idea. That's basically it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and goodbye.